Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing another topic that is connected with the city creation. In this basically we are talking about the topic that is creation basically. One of the person told that Sunil, what is you just now told that basically with the Kings group basically are creating the next generation. Then I told that yes, yeah, basically Kings groups creates the next generation. Next generation equal to what basically? Next generation equal to set of planets basically, and set of planets are equal to blood cells basically. So blood का creation हो रहा है basically. In Hindi basically it is called like that. In English basically it's called blood creation is basically happening basically. And Earth planet basically have got some restriction of blood basically that you can create up to this level only basically. And after that basically that don't know basically what is going to happen. So like this basically things basically are there. It might possible that basically next other beings basically might possibilities there basically. So anything basically can be possible. That's why basically satellite groups basically say that basically we have done this basically because anything basically possible is there basically. Possibilities are always there basically. So if one, I will take one example. Assume that basically uh, mm, one person is doing his life plan basically. So how we will do the how basically is going to do the plan basically. For example, uh, uh, for example, he is not getting marriage basically. Assume that basically he basically divorced and he basically is not getting marriage basically. So what might be the reason basically? First reason might be the girls basically who are basically might be rejecting. So I will take that example first basically. So just see basically rejected. This Mumbai Marathi girl basically rejected. Then Bengaluru, she is also Marathi basically. She is also Marathi. She is also Marathi. She is Malayalam. She is from Bengaluru. She is basically from. She is also Malayali. She is Marathi. She is also Marathi. She is also Marathi. She is also Marathi. Malayalam. Malayalam. Marathi. Malayalam. Marathi. Malayalam. Marathi. English. Malayalam. Malayalam. Marathi. Marathi. Malayalam. Marathi. 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 Tamil. Nepali. Malayalam. Marathi. So almost basically Marathi and Malayali basically girls rejected. Nepali. She is also Nepali. Marathi. 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 English. Marathi. Malayalam. Marathi. Malayalam. These all are the list of rejection basically. Marathi. 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 Malayalam. Marathi. Malayalam. English. 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 Malayalam. English. Marathi. Marathi. Malayalam. 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 Marathi. 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 Malayalam. Marathi. Malayalam. Malayalam. Marathi. Malayalam. Malayalam, Malayalam. So almost basically who rejected that all are Marathis basically, right? Almost girls basically who rejected that all basically all are what basically? That all are Marathis and Malayalam basically. And in this few Nepali also basically rejected. So what was the reason? First reason basically I had written that basically I don't have any job basically. Reason basically I just recently basically my job basically went due to some reason basically. So my last designation was as a project manager and software delivery head. So according to that basically I am searching job and I am not getting the job. Reason? Reason of not getting the job? This kind of people basically who are telling that basically your technical is not good, and in this entire Vadodara people is also jumping, entire Chennai group are also basically Chennai group actually don't know only basically. Chennai group actually don't know that basically this type of biodata is came to. So partners what are doing, they only don't know basically what this partner basically what he is doing, he don't know, he is what doing, he don't know. So like this company is there basically. This name is Laksh Web Software Company Pollution basically. This is the company basically who basically says that basically their partner also don't know basically what they are doing basically. So like this basically the both partner basically is telling, Vadodara partner is basically telling that basically I have given the resume to Chennai, but Chennai group has never got the resume only basically. And that basically how basically that I have already told. And his client basically are USA, UK, Singapore, Canada also given the resume, Canada also given the project, Russian. So big companies basically are of his client basically. So you can just imagine this basically he know BJP also, he know Congress also, and this group basically told that basically tell like this basically you are technically rejected basically. So like this basically they told that basically this person basically told that basically technically you are rejected Sunil. And basically why basically I told him basically why you are technically rejected basically you had not taken in the taken the interview also basically how you can say the technique, but he told that basically you are technology basically in which technology we are working, that basically you doesn't suit basically. Then basically I told basically I was working as a project manager delivery head basically, so I can you can fit to that basically. But he told no yeah basically we can't fit. Then basically lots of argument basically happened, and then basically he told that basically हम लोग को है ना खाली गुजराती लोगों को लेते हैं. He directly told that basically we only take Gujarati people because he was Gujarati, he is Gujarati, he is connected with this group, so this group also basically become Gujarati. Lots of people says that the Gujaratis basically are here also, and they basically are good in relationship handling. So like this Canada also came into their Russian groups also basically say that basically they also keep a relationship with Gujaratis. So like this basically this group basically how they created into Gujarati, that basically we have already discussed. This group here also basically lots of Gujaratis are there. Here also lots of Indians basically are there. So like this basically everywhere basically it's there basically. So this group also rejected, this group 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 rejected. So like this basically one small software company basically connected, and then basically they started rejecting basically. So this example we have already taken basically. I am not taking up to that and again basically. This basically we are going to see. It might possible that that same day basically the dividing basically of the Asian land basically might be happening basically. So like this basically things are basically there. So in this one topic basically we will see basically that is which is connected with this group basically. One of the person told that basically यार अरे भाई you basically tells that basically each and every stuff basically is handled by the king groups, right? Then he told that yes na. Then he told that basically who is handling Italy yaar basically, because Italy basically do lots of dangerous thing basically, because entire that basically connected with the Jesus group basically, that is Jesus Christ group basically, entire basically city gets under the water, and the people those die basically. That is basically the error basically, and from that basically error are dragged, and nothing happens to that city here, and the water is so clean basically that nothing basically happens basically. So which kind of city basically that area basically? Then he told that basically there is one Italy basically, one city basically which periodically